Hello there, it's Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you 5 great features Android 12 is going to bring to us. So if you're here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share it to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So with these features, early leaks indicates that Android 12 will finally debut a feature that has been in development for years. Privacy indicators, much like those that debuted in iOS 14, are coming to Android. A set of colored icons and dots will indicate when apps are using your microphone or cameras. You can be aware when the software on your phone might be violating your privacy. So this is something you need to just pay attention to when you're actually using your phone when the Android 12 is in. So you see at the right top corner, you can see a green button there, and in the left picture you can see the camera and the microphone right there, and at the right you can see the green dot at the right top corner too. So that will show you whatever app that is violating your privacy when you are using your phone. So one thing they also want to do it better than iOS is after maybe you are done using the app, you can see right here where Rachel is, you can see the dots actually indicated an orange thing right there, meaning when you scroll to the next picture, meaning chat used your microphone recently. So in this picture you're going to see that the chat used your microphone not long ago, and when we turn into this picture they're telling you the camera is using your camera, and then chat used your microphone recently. So that is one key feature I think Android 12 is bringing to us that is very cool. We have to wait for. The next feature Android 12 is actually bringing to us is better theming, which I think Google Pixel phones are already having this feature right here. So when you look at this picture right here, you can see it's a black theme, and when you scroll right like this, you can see it's a green theme. But Google Pixel phones do have this white and black theme already, and I think that is one cool feature they are trying to bring to us, and it's not bad. You can change between themes and you would have a good feel of your phone, and I think that is one nifty feature they are bringing to us, and a lot of people are going to love it, because sometimes, you know, sticking to one theme for a long while makes the phone look boring and you feel like you want to change the phone. But with a better theming, you can just switch between themes and you have a feel of your phone, making it look like a brand new phone. So there's one key feature we have to wait for in Android 12. So the next cool feature Android 12 is bringing to us is scrolling screenshots. Scrolling screenshots, I think, has already been seen in some Samsung phones. I don't know if that is a scrolling screenshot, but I could see people trying to send screenshots that are a bit wider or longer than normal screenshots. So Android 12 is actually going to make it very official for everybody who is going to be able to update their phones to Android 12 and going to be able to use this scrolling screenshot. So when you look right down corner, you can see extend, and the arrow is pointing down. So meaning when you hit on the extend, it's going to extend the screenshot downwards to where you feel you want to get it. And that is one basic cool, because maybe you have a screen you want to screenshot to someone that is very long or something vertically long, and you would not be able to just screenshot twice or 3 times or 4 times. And with this scrolling screenshots feature, you're going to be able to just send a screenshot directly to people and you wouldn't have any hassle. So I think that is one cool feature too we are going to be expecting in Android 12, and we can't wait for it. So the fourth feature that Android 12 is bringing to us is called App Pair. So App Pair is one of the things a few Samsung phones are already using, and this screenshot is actually Samsung Z Fold 2. And I think because it has a wider screen, it's able to just pair these apps and make you have a nice feel of multitasking. So if you have an application that has a similar name, or maybe I think if it's from the same developer, you're going to be able to just pair the apps while you are using it, and it's going to be very cool. So maybe WhatsApp and then Facebook can be used at the same time because it's from the same developer, but until Android 12 drops, we don't know how it's going to be like. So that is one cool feature they're going to bring to us. And the final feature I want to talk to you guys about, which Android 12 is bringing to us, is a better RCS messaging. So if you're not using RCS messaging so far, I think you are way behind, because I've talked a lot about it on my channel. And if you don't know what RCS messaging is just like iMessage, and it makes you have a good feel of your phone, because one way or the other, a lot of people do want to have iMessage, and yeah, RCS messaging makes you have a very great feeling. And I've talked a lot about it on my channel, so you can just check the videos, and I'm going to leave the link in the description so that if you want to have RCS messaging on your phone, you can just check, and then you're going to be able to install it. If you are using Google Pixel already, then your messaging app is already supporting RCS messaging, and you can go to your settings and then turn it on, and you're going to be able to send messages to your Android users who are already on RCS messaging for free over the Wi-Fi or mobile data. So I think that is one cool feature and they want to make it very nice. I think maybe they might be implementing RCS messaging game, or they might bring a new thing, we don't know. So Android 12 is actually going to bring a lot of things to us, and they want this to support a lot of phones, because right now I think most people who are using Android 11 are having RCS messaging, and not long ago they rolled it out worldwide. So I think they want to make it very better, and then maybe its kind of setbacks it had are going to be sorted. So that is one cool feature Android 12 is also going to bring to us. So I hope this video was very helpful, and if it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, smash the like button so that it reaches a lot of people, because the algorithm really likes it. And if you are new here, consider subscribing. If you're first time, just hit the subscribe button, and then let's move, be part of the team, so that in my next video you're just also going to be part of it and then enjoy it. So without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.